Hey guys, welcome back to my channel on Feral's Mad World, and this is Feral. Usually I post my videos every Tuesday, but why is my video out today? Because today is International Yoga Day, and as an Indian community we are celebrating it together. So guys, before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button. Guys, you know right what that notification bell button does? It will get you updated of all my new videos. So that is must. Please do it guys.
Hello, good morning everyone. Today we are celebrating the 7th International Day of Yoga, and Indian Women's Association Addis Ababa invites you to our celebration today, our yoga session today. In December 2014, the United Nations, including Ethiopia and India, adopted a resolution to celebrate International Day of Yoga on 21st June every year, and since then we have been celebrating Yoga Day.
Do you know guys why the yoga is celebrated on 21st of June every year? There is a special reason, because the sun is out on this day for the maximum time then compared to the any other day of the year.
Yoga brings harmony between the mind and body, and it improves the whole well-being of an individual. So please join us, and I hope you enjoyed the session today. Thank you.
Simple yoga stretches for all ages. When you start to do yoga, make sure to start with simple stretches to make sure your body is prepared to do asanas. Now, this being a beginner's class, we are more focusing on simple exercises. Some simple yet important stretches. And why are stretches important? Well, stretching prior to exercise is very important because it allows the muscle to loosen up, and so it reduces the chance of injury. Yoga for kids is helpful in many ways. Yoga can help kids to relax, relieve stress, reduces anxiety, and helps them to sleep better. Yoga should be practiced under professional supervision, and it is more beneficial because there are less chances of having any problems like back pain, slip disc, neck or heel sprain. suffering from migraine, high or low blood pressure, insomnia should avoid doing this asana. One may think that corpse pose or shavasana is the easiest, but to truly relax your mind and body is very difficult, and it's not an easy asana. So, learn the technique and keep practicing. Let's talk to Madhuri Verma. She has done her 1-year course and diploma in yoga, and let's go to her check out what tips she has to give for fitness.
Hello, I'm Madhuri Verma. I'm going to share 5 tips with you for your health. First one is we should chew our food like water, and water should be consumed like food. Meaning we should chew the food thoroughly so that it becomes like water consistency and then swallow it. The water should be held in the mouth for a few seconds before swallowing it. My second tip is avoid drinking water during the meals and immediately after the meals. Otherwise, it will ferment the food in the stomach and give rise to bacteria, harmful bacteria. My third tip is when you are on the bed in a sleeping position, don't lift yourself straight up. Rather, turn to left or right side and then lift yourself up. My fourth tip is out of 72,000 Naris, energy channels, there are 3 main. Ida, Pingala and Sushumna. The 3 are responsible to maintain the well-being and temperature of the body. My fifth tip is during regular breathing, we use only a little part of our lungs. But in pranayama in yoga, we use deep breathing, which involves abdomen, lungs and clavicle area. This provides rich oxygenated blood to whole body.
Thank you guys for watching my vlog, and if you have enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell button. Signing off for now.